Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village nestled between mountains, there lived a young boy named Leo. Leo came from a very poor family. He wore hand-me-down clothes, and his shoes were patched up by his mother. But despite having so little, Leo was known for his kindness and cheerful spirit. He always helped his neighbors, shared his little food with animals, and made friends with everyone he met. One chilly morning, as Leo was walking to the village well to fetch water, he remembered his birthday was only a few days away. Normally, children in the village had cakes and sweets on their birthdays, and the whole village would gather to celebrate. But Leo knew his family could not afford a cake this year. Still, he shrugged it off, telling himself, maybe this year, I'll just celebrate with a simple meal. As Leo was filling his bucket, he heard a rustling sound behind him. He turned around and saw an old man with a long white beard and twinkling eyes. The man looked tired and hungry. Without thinking twice, Leo offered him a piece of bread he had saved for himself. The old man smiled warmly and said, "Thank you, young boy. Not many would share what little they have." The old man then reached into his bag and pulled out a small wooden box wrapped in cloth. He handed it to Leo and said, "Inside this box is a magical candle. Place it on anything, and it will turn into a wonderful birthday cake, but remember, the magic only works if you share it with others." Leo was speechless, but he accepted the box gratefully. He thanked the old man, who then disappeared as quickly as he had come, leaving Leo wondering if it had all been a dream. On the day of his birthday, Leo's mother prepared a simple meal, and his father gave him a handmade wooden toy. Although it was modest, Leo was touched by their love. But he remembered the magical candle in his pocket and decided to give it a try. He took the candle from the box and placed it on a small loaf of bread they had saved for the day. He lit the candle, and to his amazement, the bread began to grow and transform, filling the room with a delicious aroma. In moments, it became the biggest, most beautiful cake Leo had ever seen. It was covered in colorful icing and topped with fruits and candies, sparkling like it was made from stardust. Leo's eyes widened in joy, and he quickly called out to his friends and neighbors, inviting everyone to join the celebration. Word spread quickly, and soon, the entire village gathered at Leo's small home, eager to see the magical cake. As everyone took a piece, they noticed something incredible. Each slice of the cake tasted like their favorite treat. For some, it tasted like chocolate, for others, it was strawberries, caramel, or vanilla. Every bite was pure joy, and laughter filled the air as people marveled at the magical flavors. Leo realized then that the old man's gift wasn't just a cake, it was a reminder of kindness, friendship, and the joy of sharing. By giving away what little he had, Leo had received the most magical gift of all. And on that special day, his heart overflowed with happiness as he celebrated not only his birthday but also the love and unity of his village. From that day forward, Leo's birthday was celebrated as a village holiday, a day of sharing, kindness, and magical surprises. And every year, people told the story of the poor boy and his magical birthday cake, inspiring everyone to be a little more generous, just like Leo. Party Popper sparkles.